Hello guys, I am Sunil and welcome to MS classes. So guys, today we will discuss about the mathematics class 7 exercise 2.1 statement sum. This is mathematics book beta. So I am doing question number 5th. So fifth question is, the cost of 1 liter of juice is rupees 98 and half. What would be the cost of a 34 1 by 4 liter of juice? So beta, you have given the cost of 1 liter juice. The cost of 1 liter juice is equal to rupees 98 and half. Rupees 98 and half means 98 into 2 plus 1. This is 6. 1 9 to the 18, 1 19 plus 1, this is equal to 197. So this is 197 over 2. Okay, this is 197 over 2 is the cost of a 1 liter juice. To find cost of 34 1 by 4 liter of a use. So beta, you have to find out the cost of 34 1 by 4 liter of use. Then 34 into 4, 4 4 is 16, 1 4 3 is 12 plus 1 13 plus 1, this is 137. So beta, this is 137 over 4. Okay, now if we have to find out the cost, beta, you know, if we have given 1 liter use cost, and to find the more liter use cost, you have to simply multiply. So this is 137 over 4 into 197 over 2. Beta, you have to multiply these two, you will get the result. Okay, so beta, very simple. Now I am telling you the next question, question number 6. You will find the cost after multiplication of these two digits. Now your next question is question number 6. In 6th question, one bottle of jam hold 38 over 43 kilogram juice. Beta, you have one bottle and this one bottle have 38 over 43 kilogram jam. How many kilogram jam does 25 such bottle? So beta, itni heat, how many bottles? 25 such bottles. How much? If these bottles are 25, so how to calculate the juice or jam in kilogram? Beta, you have to multiply simply 38 over 43 into 25. When you multiply these two digits, you will get the result. Okay, now our next question, question number 7. Manan and Jia together have 2500 rupees. Manan shared 3 by 5 of total. So total amount, this is 7th question. Manan plus Jia शेयर, तो दोनों का शेयर कितना है? रुपीज 2500. ओके, मनन शेयर इज 3 by 5 ऑफ टोटल. ठीक है, सो मनन शेयर इज 3 by 5 ऑफ टोटल. व्हेन यू मल्टीप्लाई दीज टू, you will get the result. 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25. So 3 into 500. So this is equal to 5 3s are 1500. So Manan shares is equal to 1500. How to get this 1500? 5 ones are 5 and 5 5s are 25. You will get a answer. 500 into 3. This is Manan share. Now next one is find Jia share. Jia share. How to find the Jia share? Yes, share is total this is 25 minus Manan share, this is 1500. So after subtraction 1500 from 2500, we will get only 1000. Okay, we subtract Manan share from the total share, we will get the Jia's share. This is the answer of a 7th question. So next question is find the perimeter. Beta, you know the perimeter is, if we have any rectangle and any shape, the perimeter is sum of all sides, AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. So here in your question, find the perimeter of a square whose side is, so here we have a square A, B, C and D. Its one side is 7/1/8 meter. If one side is 7/1/8 meter, then we have to add this number 4 times, or when we multiply this number 7/1/8 into 4, this is the perimeter. Okay, this is the perimeter. Because why we multiply this number by 4? Because all 4 sides are equal. So our result is 8 sevens are 56 plus 1, 57/8 into 4. So beta, when we multiply these two fractions, we will get the answer. Now next question, find the area of a rectangular park which is 15 1/3 meter long and 13 1/2 meter wide. So next question is, if we have a rectangular park, we have to find the area of this. So formula of area is L into B. So we have given L is equal to 15 1/3 and breadth is equal to 13 1/2. When we multiply these two, we will get the answer. So this is 15 1/3 into 13 1/2. Now you have to multiply these two, you will get the result. Now next question is, in a music group 45 people, 1/9 are vocalist and the rest of instrumental. So this is the same question as question number 7. So you will solve this question yourself. For the particular game, how each ticket costs 126.5. Calculate the amount collected if 206 tickets of the show were sold. Beta, you have to multiply these two digits. Cost of one ticket is equal to rupees 126.5. So cost of 206 ticket is equal to 126.5 multiply 206. So after multiplication these two, you will get the answer. So in the collection of 110 balloon, now next question is, number of balloon is total balloon is equal to 110. So pink balloon is equal to 3/10 of 110. So beta, you will get the answer. This is 11 3s are 33. So pink balloon is equal to 33. Then blue balloon is equal to 2/5 of total. This is 110. So 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10. This is 44. 44 balloon are blue, and the rest will be yellow. So yellow balloon this is equal to total minus sum of pink and yellow. ठीक है, sum of pink and blue, sum of pink and blue, this is 110 minus 33 plus 44. You have to add both two and then subtract. So I think 4 plus 3 7, 4 plus 3 7. So when 110 minus 177, you will get the answer. So beta, here question number 13 is same as question number 12. So beta, I hope you have been understand the topic and you have been understand all exercise 2.1. and in next topic I will try to solve the next question from exercise 2.2. So thank you, have a nice day.